everybody! It's our day 2 here at Kutaisi. And ang team ng ating outfit for today's video ay Dancerous. So, dancers for today's video! Diba? So, ganitong outfitan natin for today. Yan. This one. Diba? Carry lang ba? That's all for today's introduction. Have a great day, everybody. Parang pang 1960s, 50s. Ganda ng interior ng kanilang restaurant here at Magnolia. So here's our breakfast for today, day 2. Ito yung bread nila with feta cheese and cucumber and mashed potatoes and some sausage and eggy and this one. And syempre guys, hindi natin kakalimutan yung ating vibrant coffee. Look at that view. So, from the hotel, dito kami sa airport for transfer. So, we'll be taking bus going to Tbilisi. Yan. Time ulit. So from Kutaisi, sinundo kami sa hotel ng Holiday Factory. Then dinrap nila kami sa airport para dun sa parang bus station going to Tbilisi. Sumakay kami ng bus, yung maraming bus. And then after 30 minutes yata, nag-drop by kami dito sa isang nag-stop over sa isang shop store na merong Dunkin Donuts, tsaka Wendy's, kung sinong gustong umihi, kasi it will be like a 3-hour drive travel, 3 to 4 hours yata. So yun lang update.
Iberia ka? Your name is Ichiro Kelvin. It's correct. Second stop is Residence Plaza for Mary and the family. Your hotel is Residence Plaza also. And then we have Iberia Inn for Adrenaline and Jordan. And you'll also notice many Soviet architectures. They're very interesting.
Sabi yung mga daan dito nila. Narrow pa sa mind mo. Super narrow roads. Hello! Hi! Sit down. Hi! Hi! Ayan, ganito yung mga dogs nila dito. Askal nila here. Tingnan nyo naman yung eyes, guys. Diba? Askal lang yan. So, ito na yung hotel natin sa Tbilisi. Iberia Inn. So, here is our room at Tbilisi. Iberia Inn. Bidet spotted. So, may bidet dito. And here's the bed. Meron silang cute na TV. And yun, heater spotted. So may heater, pwede kayo magkape. And pwede nyo nang kainin yung inyong baong sotanghon. Haggard na the face ng mga person. So, ayan. After namin mag-check-in sa hotel, pinick up kami for city tour and dinner, welcome dinner. So, it's free, guys. So, may pa-free dinner sila and excursion city. So, here we are. So, we'll be having a Georgian dinner tonight. Ang saya kasi pa-free lang pala to, diba?
Once you have bite, you can let it like cool down a little because it's hot. Then you have to continue eating, so drink and eat at the same time. Like, so you have to drink there because inside it has a soup. Yeah. So enjoy and try because it's very traditional dish called khingan.
I tried it last night and I mean.
Okay, andito na tayo sa Christmas. Nice.
Several times changing the government, but the last government who we had from 2004, the name was Mikhail Saakashvili, very modern. He was the youngest president in whole world. He graduated from Oxford and Harvard University. He was only 27 years old when he got president of the time. So he changed their Independence Day. It's colored in their flag. So we celebrate.
will be riding a cable car papunta doon sa kabila, doon sa fortress. Ayan. Andito po tayo sa cable car. And this is Tbilisi at night. Hello everybody! So, nandito kami sa city center, nag-ikot-ikot, DIY ulit. Yan pala yung hinahanap eh. Tugs. So, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami. Naghahanap kami ng mga kainin. It's the birthday of the person. Birthday niya. Ito oh, ang ganda ng music dito. Yeah. So, magdi-DIY na naman ang mga person.
Balloon is closed now.
Really?
So sad naman kasi yung hot air balloon is not available. Ayun no. Kasi depende pala siya sa wind. So since it's windy, so hindi siya working now. So magagala lang kami dito sa may city center nila. So sa aming pag-google, ayun, I found. Nakita na namin yung aming hinahanap na restaurant. It's called Marani. Yung mga ano, yung mga iglo, parang iglo na yan. Yan yung mga sulfur bath. Grabe yung mga daan nila, idol na idol. Super effort. So, 30 meters pa daw. Oh, ayan. Marani. Nandito na kami. Ayan po yung order namin. So, yung iba,